Good morning. We're going to Houston to see Beyonce. We're walking to like we're leaving from like the new gates in the Salt Lake Airport. So we don't have to walk 10 miles to be, or to the other side where it's hella busy. It's so nice and quiet over here. The Mama of Gods were on our side. We are in the very last row. No window. But we're just happy to be here. Especially because initially there's only one seat with like 14, 15 people on standby, but we all cleared, so. Yes, girl. See you tomorrow. We got upgraded to a minivan for our rental. You can catch us whipping in this Chrysler van. Is this the same one we rented? Yeah. Oh, it's like bougie. We rented one like this in Miami for my cousin's wedding. It was pretty fancy. We're out and we're headed to get food immediately. So we're heading straight to Rudy's per this man's request. Rudy's is like his favorite barbecue spot growing up in Texas. So that's where we're headed. We are starving, maybe a little hangry. Yeah, it feels so good here. It's so warm. Also, everyone and their mother in the airport was wearing Renaissance tour merch, or was just like dressed in silver, looking like they were going to the show, which is so exciting. So it's Saturday right now. We're going to the Sunday show tomorrow night. So similar to like Vegas had 2 shows. We went to the Sunday one. Same thing with Houston. I've only been to Texas like once, technically. I've like been here for layovers, but that's about it.
This is where I learned how to drive.
The only other place I've been is Euless. And if you're Tongan, of course, that's the one place you go. Let's go. Thank you.
Probably half a pound of moist brisket.
All I want is cream corn. Okay, I just got a pulled pork sandwich. We got pecan pie, banana pudding. She looks so cute. And then he got some brisket and some bread. We also got some cream corn, which I'm most excited to eat. How's your first bite of Rudy's in like years? 12 years? 10.
10. Better than I remember.
Pulled pork sandwich. Fire. Moving on to the cream corn. Fire. So good. I love corn anything. It's like potatoes. Potatoes in any form I love, corn in any form I love. I put some corn on my sandwich and it's really good. Moist brisket. Okay, it's time for dessert and I've already taken somewhat of an L because my husband told me that this isn't even like a Rudy's thing. This is an outsourced pie. It's just like hard as a rock. But I'm still gonna try it, and yes, this piece just fell off and I put it back in there. Pecan pie. Oh, BYU just scored. Not bad. Up next, banana pudding. Oddly enough, banana pudding is probably in one of my top 5 favorite desserts. This is what she looks like. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So good?
Yeah, I like that. It's like a classic banana pudding. Personally, I would like more cookies, but it's like delicious.
I got the one.
Wait, do you want me to offend you a little bit? That tastes just like King's Buffet banana pudding. Which King's Buffet has good banana pudding. Yeah, I should have gotten that instead of just trying to try new things, because I'm not gonna eat this whole thing and he doesn't even like nuts, so. And I literally can't cut into the crust. I'll give this like a 3 out of 10. Banana pudding gets, I'd say like a 6.7. Anyways, I will probably be throwing this pie away, but back in the humidity. Now that it's 7:30, we knocked the hell out. Clearly. So we're gonna run to the grocery store, grab some stuff, grab some food really quick. I still want to find a black cowboy hat. It needs, my outfit needs it. Beauty sunset. My first HEB. I've always wanted to come to an HEB. Never been before. Made a pit stop at the temple. So beautiful. Banana pudding shake. It's a banana pudding day. So good. You already know. A patty melt. Duh. Delicious. Whataburger was delicious, but it wasn't what I wanted. I just really want sushi. But did I come to Texas to eat sushi? No. But I can't get that out of my mind, so. Morning. Well, that's a lie. It's definitely afternoon. Good afternoon. It's officially B-Day. Getting ready for the day now. I did not bring a tripod at all. So where could I put you? We're gonna go grab some lunch, and then I need to go and pick up like a travel size thing of mousse. That's what we went to HEB for, was for some drinks, and then I got like travel size products because we didn't bring a check-in, and I literally don't own those in travel sizes, so nice to have. I probably should have bought that before we even left. I am low-key stressed about traffic and parking. I just keep comparing everything to Vegas's, you know, show and everything. I feel like I was more calm and chill about Vegas because when we had a parking pass that we could prepay for, and then also my sister and Sean and Coop and Blakely, they had all been to the show the night before, so I feel like I knew what to expect, knew what to get there. Everything about that show was ideal. Our parking spot, we got there like as soon as our parking lot opened, walked in, got some food, found our seats, like we were just chilling. She's singing the big 3 and I was so excited. There were rumors about Megan Thee Stallion coming, and she showed up yesterday, so she better show up tonight. Also today, the makeup and everything, I'm doing like my everyday makeup look. I'm gonna wait for my husband to get ready and then we'll go grab some food. Game day. Low key, I should just wear this, just kidding. So we're gonna run to Taco Cabana, which is another childhood fave of his, just for some quick food, and then probably Target or something so I can get travel size mousse, and then we'll get ready and head on downtown. Let's go. Dang it, almost to the end zone. My boys are killing it. What a beautiful day. I'm going to see Beyonce and my team is gonna be undefeated still. I stopped getting ready because the Miami Dolphins are killing it. But also we could break the record for most points scored in an NFL game, so. Well, again, very everyday makeup that I'm wearing. It took me like 20 minutes trying to film the beginning transition of a TikTok. So now I'm running late. I'm gonna change really quickly. I need to put some lippies on, which I don't even know if I brought lipstick now that I think about it. Anyways, who cares? The Dolphins beat the Broncos by 50 points. And I'm going to see Beyonce. So apparently I only have these. Okay. It's this lip liner and this butter gloss. Unpopular opinion though, I hate these butter glosses, but I bought a bunch of them and so now I just feel the need to use them, but they just don't last and they're not as good. We might leave her in the car. I have not decided, but here's the full fit. The boots are clearly the highlight here. This dress, it is what it is. It was like $12 from Amazon. Fit check, cutie. We made it to the stadium, and so we have about an hour and a half till NRG doors open, so I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm not gonna wear the hat inside. I'm just gonna use it for pictures, just to see how they turn out, because I actually really hate how the hat looks, so. Thank you. We just got to our seats. So excited! Thank you, eyeliner. Thanks NRG. Thanks LANZ. Here's my hype food, a Pizza Hut pizza. In Vegas, we were like over there-ish, behind this annoying pole, but now we're here.
Instructions.
This music is killing me.
To the left, money bitches to the right. We used to be right now. Can you see my break? I'm big wide now. Tell me people to pay for hell and night now. So you loving the road, play who am I now? I'm a nurse, I'm a teacher. Dominate's the best way to beat ya. Sorry,
includes second Renaissance tour. Somehow better than before. We got Meg, we got the big three. So good. The Mew challenge, all of it.